Most people think they know the story of China's rise. They picture endless assembly lines, vast factories churning out toys, clothes, and electronics for the world. They see a nation built on cheap labor, the world's factory. This image has dominated our understanding for decades. It's a simple narrative, and like most simple narratives, it is dangerously incomplete. The China of today is vastly different. The real story is more complex, more surprising, and far more relevant to our future. To understand why China is still getting richer, we must look beyond the factory gates. The real secret isn't found in factories, but in phones. China has over 1 billion people online. In the West, we have different apps for everything. In China, it's all integrated into super apps like WeChat or Alipay. This creates a cashless society at a speed that has left the rest of the world behind. Every transaction becomes a data point, allowing companies to understand consumer needs with incredible precision. A small noodle shop can analyze which dishes are popular on rainy days. This empowers businesses of all sizes. This hyper-efficient, data-driven market is the new engine of China's growth. For years, China was criticized for only copying. That era is over. In 2023, China filed more international patents than any other country. Chinese companies now lead in facial recognition and autonomous vehicles, fueled by unparalleled access to data. This innovation transforms traditional industries: AI drones in agriculture, digital healthcare connecting villages to specialists. Companies like DJI didn't copy. They built globally dominant products through original R&D. Tencent and Alibaba created unique technologies now being studied by Western companies. The flow of ideas is no longer one way. The final piece is immense human ambition. Generations have witnessed transformation, creating powerful optimism and hunger for success. China produces more STEM graduates than any other country. Millions of skilled professionals enter the workforce yearly. This is a human story. Parents sacrificing for education, graduates seeking opportunity, innovators daring to compete globally. This desire for progress, multiplied by 1.4 billion people, creates unstoppable momentum. The digital revolution provides tools, but human spirit powers China's continuing ascent. The path to prosperity isn't static. China evolved from manufacturing to digital innovation, showing remarkable strategic thinking. China mobilized resources toward ambitious goals, building the world's largest high-speed rail network, becoming a renewable energy leader. The principles are universal. Invest in education and technology, abandon outdated models, foster ambition and innovation. The question isn't whether China will continue rising, but how the world will adapt to this reality. It challenges us all. Are we moving fast enough? Investing in the right places? Building tomorrow's world, not yesterday's? The answers will define our prosperity in the 21st century. What's your biggest takeaway? Drop it in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. Want more insights like this? Hit subscribe for the next episode in our Global Economy series.